Which animal bites the hardest on Earth? You might expect lions or tigers, but the real champions will surprise you. Today, we're counting down 13 animals with the strongest bite forces ever recorded, from pets to prehistoric giants like the mighty T-Rex. Ready? Let's dive in. Starting small. The human bite force averages 160 psi. Great for biting into your favorite sandwich, but nowhere near the top of this list. Meet the gentle giant, the Great Dane. Their bite clocks in at 238 psi. Impressive for a dog, but just a warm-up. The king of the jungle pack, 650 psi. Powerful enough to bring down large prey, but there are stronger cats out there. Silent and deadly, the tiger's bite hits 1,050 psi. A bit stronger than the lion's. Don't underestimate the hyena. Their bite crushes at 1,100 psi. Perfect for smashing bones. Next up, the grizzly bear at 1,160 psi. Raw forest power and brute force. The polar bear's 1,200 psi bite lets it hunt seals through thick ice. Surprising but true, gorillas bite at 1,300 psi. Mostly for plants, but don't get on their bad side. The jaguar leads the big cats at 1,500 psi, powerful enough to pierce skulls. The hippo's massive jaws pack a whopping 1,800 psi, known to be surprisingly aggressive. The American alligator snaps shut with nearly 3,000 psi, bone-crushing power. Earth's strongest living biter, the saltwater crocodile with 3,700 psi, fast, brutal, unmatched. And the champion of all time, the Tyrannosaurus Rex. With an estimated bite force of 12,800 psi, this prehistoric predator could crush anything in its path. From humans to dinosaurs, these animals prove just how powerful jaws can be. Which bite blew your mind? Let us know in the comments. Like and subscribe for more jaw-dropping nature facts.